Guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change language for specific apps on your Android or Samsung phone. So do a swipe up, click on settings. From here, scroll all the way down to where you'll find general management. You want to tap on that, and from here you'll find the option that says app languages. Now simple tap on that, and from here you'll find a list of all the applications that you have installed on your phone. Now you want to give it a second because it might take a few seconds to load. As you can see, my apps there, but once it is done, you will find all of those apps in your phone that allows you to change languages. So let's take Google Chrome for example. Let's say I want to change a language, and as you can see below there, it says that I'm currently using the default system language as my app language, but I can tap on that and I can select whichever language I want. Now it shows some suggested language there that I can choose from, but if you scroll down, you have a ton of different language that you can choose from. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply select a specific language. Let's choose this Chestina or Chesco, and once I do that, I'm going to simply minimize this for a moment and open up, for example, Google Chrome. And as you can see at the top there, it is shown that my Google Chrome is now in a different language. And I can even switch it back to English if I want. Now I'm going to close it again and let's go back to my languages. And I'm going to simply put that back in English or set it to my default language, which is English. And now when I open up, for example, Google Chrome again, you will see that my Google Chrome goes back into English. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. This is how you can easily change languages for a specific application on your Android or Samsung phone.